So, Microsoft's Copilot is getting some serious upgrades. And it's not just about productivity anymore, it's about transforming how we interact with AI, how AI interacts with us, and, well, making that whole relationship feel human. The new Copilot is designed to be more like a digital companion, not just a tool. Microsoft knows that launching advanced AI features takes time, testing, and user feedback. Instead of rolling out new features across the board without proper evaluation, they've created Co-pilot Labs, a sort of incubator for experimental tools that pro users can access before anyone else. Think of it as a way for Microsoft to beta test their most advanced AI capabilities. One of the most promising tools in Copilot Labs is Think Deeper. This feature is designed for users who need the AI to handle more complex problems. Standard AI responses can be quick, but they don't always dig deep enough into complicated issues. Think Deeper slows things down a bit to give Copilot the time it needs to process tougher questions and provide detailed, step-by-step answers. It's designed for situations where you need more than just a surface-level response. For example, instead of simply solving a basic equation, Think Deeper can help with complex problem solving, like figuring out the logistics of a home renovation project or comparing costs across multiple scenarios. It's important to note that Think Deeper doesn't just give you quick answers. It takes the extra time necessary to ensure you get the most accurate and detailed information possible. This feature is currently only available to a select group of Copilot Pro users in 5 countries: the US, UK, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand. Microsoft is carefully monitoring how users engage with Think Deeper to refine it before it's rolled out more broadly. A major limitation of many AI systems up to this point has been their inability to understand context beyond what you explicitly tell them. They could process text, but they couldn't see the content you're interacting with on your screen. Microsoft has addressed this limitation with Copilot Vision, a feature that's currently in the testing phase within Copilot Labs. Here's how it works. Copilot Vision allows the AI to understand what's happening on your screen in real time. If you're browsing a website or working on a document in Microsoft Edge, the AI can see the content you're interacting with and offer relevant suggestions or help. Let's say you're reading an article and need more information or assistance with something related to what's on the page. Copilot Vision can analyze the page, provide answers, or even suggest next steps based on the content you're viewing. It's a huge leap forward for AI because it's no longer limited to responding to what you type. It can actually interpret the broader context of what you're doing. The important thing here is that Copilot Vision is entirely opt-in. It's not going to automatically start watching everything you do. You control when and how it's used, which helps address privacy concerns. In fact, once you close the feature, all data from that session is permanently discarded. None of your conversations or interactions with Copilot Vision will be stored or used for training purposes. Microsoft has also built in safeguards, like limiting the tool's use to a pre-approved list of websites. This ensures that it won't interact with sensitive content or overstep its boundaries. For example, if you're browsing a site with a paywall, Copilot Vision won't comment or engage with that content. While this feature is currently only available to a small subset of pro users in the US, it's clear that Microsoft is committed to expanding Copilot Vision carefully and responsibly over time. Beyond the experimental features in Copilot Labs, Microsoft is also rolling out some major updates to the general Copilot experience. 2 new features stand out here: Copilot Voice and Copilot Daily. Let's start with Copilot Voice. One of the common complaints about AI systems is that they can sometimes feel robotic or awkward to interact with. Conversations don't always flow naturally, and there's often a delay in responses. Microsoft has addressed this with Copilot Voice, which allows for smoother, more natural conversations. Responses are faster, and you can interrupt or redirect the conversation without throwing the AI off track. It's designed to make talking to Copilot feel more like having a conversation with a real person. This isn't just about making the AI more conversational for the sake of it, though. There's a real practical benefit here, especially for users who are multitasking or need to work quickly. Being able to have a natural, fluid back and forth with Copilot can save time and make interactions with the AI much more efficient. Next up is Copilot Daily. This feature is designed to give users a personalized briefing every morning. It pulls together information from sources like Reuters, the Financial Times, USA Today, and Axel Springer to provide you with an audio summary of the day's news, weather, and other relevant updates. This isn't just a headline service, it's a curated, personalized experience that adapts to your preferences over time. Whether you're driving, commuting, or just starting your day, Copilot Daily makes it easy to stay informed without needing to sift through multiple apps or websites. Microsoft's partnerships with these major news outlets ensure that the content in Copilot Daily is reliable and high quality. The company has also made a point of compensating its publishing partners, continuing its long-standing practice of sharing revenue with content creators, similar to how MSN worked in the past. One of Microsoft's biggest strengths in the AI race is its ability to integrate Copilot across its entire ecosystem. While other companies like Google and OpenAI are working on impressive AI tools of their own, Microsoft has the advantage of already having a vast network of products and platforms in place. Copilot can be accessed directly from the Windows taskbar, integrated into Microsoft Edge, and even activated with dedicated hardware keys on some Windows laptops. This brings us to Co-pilot PCs, high-performance machines that are specifically designed to get the most out of Copilot's AI capabilities. One of the standout features of Co-pilot PCs is Recall. This tool allows Copilot to remember the state of your work across apps and documents. So if you were in the middle of something, Recall lets you pick up right where you left off without needing to manually find and open everything again. However, Recall was delayed due to concerns about privacy and security. Microsoft is now set to release it in October for Windows insiders on Snapdragon-powered PCs, with Intel and AMD-powered machines to follow in November. Once those issues are ironed out, Recall could become a game changer for anyone juggling multiple tasks at once. Another feature to watch for on Copilot PCs is Click to Do. This tool puts an overlay on your screen that suggests quick actions you can take based on what you're currently doing. It's designed to help streamline your workflow and make multitasking even more efficient. Alongside all the Copilot updates, Microsoft is also rolling out the Windows 11 2024 update, officially known as version 24H2. This is a complete operating system overhaul, packed with new features that are designed to enhance AI capabilities and improve overall performance. Key highlights include support for Wi-Fi 7, HDR background, and Bluetooth LE audio. These aren't just incremental upgrades, they're significant improvements that will make everyday tasks smoother and faster. The Photos app is also getting an update with super resolution, which allows you to upscale image quality with a click, and Paint is getting new AI features like generative fill and erase. For users on older versions of Windows 11, the 2024 update is rolling out in phases, starting with eligible devices. If you want to get it sooner rather than later, you can go to Settings, Windows Update, and turn on the option to receive the latest updates as soon as they're available. For commercial and education customers, Windows 11 version 24 H2 is available through Windows Server Update Services, Windows Update for Business, and the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. This update is a big deal for organizations because it offers 36 months of support for enterprise and education editions, giving IT managers plenty of time to test and deploy the update across their networks. For organizations that require long-term stability, Microsoft has also introduced the Windows 11 Enterprise LTSC 2024 Long-Term Servicing Channel, which is supported for 5 years. There's also a special version for IoT devices called Windows 11 IoT Enterprise LTSC 2024, which has a 10-year support lifecycle. Microsoft's latest Copilot updates signal a shift from basic productivity tools to integrated AI solutions. With features like Copilot Labs, Think Deeper, Copilot Vision, and Copilot PCs, Microsoft is advancing AI to handle complex tasks while prioritizing privacy and safety. The Windows 11 2024 update further solidifies AI's role in its ecosystem, showcasing a commitment to making AI practical, secure, and transformative in everyday tech use. All right, that's all I've got for today. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't, and let me know in the comments, what do you think about new Copilot? Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.